Hello, myself Komal, CTO at DecodeUp Private Limited. So here I would like to give some overview about the UBS applications that we are using from last many months. And so before started using of UBS, we were managing our project management system through the Excel sheet. So in the Excel sheet, we are managing the project task, their progress, tracking, and everything. But what difficulties we are facing there, like in that Excel sheet, we were not able to manage our daily activities. We were not able to manage the billables and non-billables task records and everything. And the main thing, we are not able to manage the tracking of whole projects activity. So these all are the limitations we were facing, and so due to overcome these limitations, we have started using the UBS application. So after using that UBS applications, we have overcome all of these limitations. The task management system provided by the UBS is amazing. Through the UBS, we are currently tracking all of our task activities. We can see the timesheet of all of our employees at every day end, and we are completing all our tasks on a day-to-day basis. So it is giving us a complete report of every projects, like from where through we have started, in progress records, and when we are going to finish. So through this application, we are managing everything properly. And the main thing, we are getting the billable and non-billable hours report very easily, and our main focus was there, and that we are getting. And I would like to give more overview about the chat system. The chat system is really good because through the chat system, which is provided by this system altogether, we are managing all the project's communication plus the employees who are involved in that project at one place. So every employees will stay aware of all the communications regarding to that project, and there is no any miscommunication regarding to any messages. So this is really a good thing that I noticed, and the system is really good. So the system is basically for the IT companies, and I would really recommend this system to everyone who want to manage their project management system very easily. Thank you.